Hi guys, long time no see. So it's about a week plus, if not two. I returned from my official trip from Kano, and yeah, it's just been walk, guys. So we am packed now. Somebody is blocking me at the back, and it's my husband that packed here today. If it were me, I won't park here. Never. I wouldn't. I will not even park like this. But yeah, today is Friday and we're closed from work. I'm going to pick my son, drop him at home, then head to the market. I want to make a whole lot of things today. Two soups, two stews, different kind of stews. I feel like having a yamashi sauce for some weird reasons, and I'm going to be making it. So that's about it. I don't know if I'm going to carry you guys to the market, but whatever. So I've actually called the person that is blocking me. See, this is okay is coming. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. We're going to the market now. My weekend is even packed. I'm supposed to go see my parents, but let's see how that goes. And then tomatoes are really high. Somebody was telling me that I should not go to Ilekpo market weekend. We should just plan to go on Monday evening, and I'm trying to see if that will work. But yeah, sorry, I'm just looking. I'm just trying to see that the guy knows that I'm waiting for him. But yeah, let's go. Oh my god, the weather is so hot and I'm sweating like a pig. I'm sweating so bad. I have to even wind down these glasses. I would have turned on the AC, but the weather is very hot. Like, even if I'm going to turn on the AC will still I have to still wind down for a bit. But yeah, anyways, hello. Well, do you know the last time I picked up this camera is like 1 week ago. I just figured out that now I'm just kind of being lazy to film because I feel. Let me on the AC, I beg. So guys, sorry, I figured out that place is really sunny and like I cannot really see myself. God, my hair is a hot mess. I even had to cut it. Listen, can you see? I had to cut it away, like a little of it, the tip, because I feel it's kind of hard now. Always waking up in the morning to condition it and all whatnot. So I just felt that since I'm going to be losing it this weekend, it's just good to just cut it and have a little bit of peace and freedom. But that's it. My husband traveled to Kano this morning. Like, hey, I'm coming back from Kano like a week ago, and my husband is trapped. And he just returned from a trip like 2 days ago, and is off again to Kano. And some of my colleagues are also going to Kano. Like the roller coaster in this job. But I'm thankful. Like, I'm thankful for the experiences and all whatnot. So, hey, my girl has been disturbing me. She has been telling me, "Oh, auntie, I have not tasted fried rice before. Auntie, please, can you prepare fried rice for me?" Ha, like she has been singing it in my ear. Chibuzo has been singing it in my ear. So I said, okay. I rushed to get some few things I'll be needing for the rice. I got this very small basmati rice. I got it. I've been hearing so much about this season, this adobo seasoning. I got it as well. I got unsalted butter. Oh, it's even beginning to melt, but not like melt. But yeah, I got this butter for the fried rice, and then I got these grapes for my boy. My baby loves these grapes and banana. Like, he can do every and anything for this grape and banana. So I got it, and it's relatively cheap in Ebano, like 4,250. But if it is in the market, 5,055. But anyways, yes, I don't know if I've said it before, but I have started making chin chin. I used to make chin chin in my house, and people say it's good. So I was like, let me just monetize this thing. And guys, the way they've been rushing this chin chin, jeez, the way they've been rushing this chin chin, me myself, I shocked. Like, I was like, so why have I been dull in all of this while? Why have I not monetized it all this while? I tried it some time ago, and yeah, I'm doing it again. So that's it. Let's go home. I'm tired. Let's just go home. My sister is even coming to the house this evening. She'll be staying with me for like a week. Yeah, and yeah, that's just it really. So I'm going to making her a native pasta. Yeah, I'm making her native pasta, and we'll call it a day. I'll see you in the next clip. Bye. Hi guys, hey my loves, happy Sunday. Good afternoon, guys. So today is Sunday. We're back from church. We've eaten. I've loosened my hair. I've washed it. I've moisturized the face and the body. We're all set for the week. Anyways, yeah, we're set for the week. But right about now, myself and my husband and my baby, we are going to the hospital. My husband wants to have his routine checks. I don't know if I should do mine or not, but because my girl is going to work, yeah, so I'm thinking if I should do mine, maybe I'll schedule mine. And I also want to have my tooth cleaned. It's a lot. It's really a lot, but yeah, we'll see. I'll schedule that. But that's about it. We also want to do a little grocery shopping for mid month. And my husband also want me to prepare fish barbecue. Yeah, so that will be almost so many branch and stops. So that's about it for the Sunday. So I think we're going to be using the fish barbecue for dinner. Yeah. By the way, I also got this dank product. See this dank product. See, I'm a sucker for skincare. Like I'm a sucker for skincare. I saw this on her platform like randomly. It popped in as an ad on my IG. It's the Q10 plus vitamin C face oil serum. Let's try it. So usually I think I saw I've seen so many beautiful reviews about her products. This is about the second time I'm using her products. I know my sister gifted me her vitamin C concentrated vitamin C syrup, but I don't know if there was a difference, or maybe I didn't just pay attention. But yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, see how it is. So since they say it's an oil, I hope it's light. So let's try. By the way, I just had my bath, but I've applied it's oil. Oh. This thing is, I think it should be good. Hey, you said it brightens skin, prevents aging and sun damage. Okay, but I think it's best used at night. Anything that has oil. I can perceive rosehip oil here, but yeah. Let me just run a test on it. Now, will I now rub powder or not? This one that the sun is up. But it's light actually, but it's oil. It's oil. I don't like putting oil on my face really, but and it's going for 17,000. This particular one, skincare, gold. So yeah, I hope it sits. God, well, let it just sit for about 10 minutes. I'll go and sit under the AC. Let me see if it dries up. Then I'll just powder my face, and yeah, we're good to go. I've been seeing that people have been complaining about low views, low views, low views, and I'm like, if people that have about 2,000, 1,300, 1,500 views are complaining of low views, where the people like us for like, where the people like us for, but. Do I still love doing what I'm doing? Absolutely, I do. And will I stop? I don't know. Really, I don't know. But yeah, I just love documenting my life. It gives me a whole lot of joy and pleasure doing it. So please, if you see people like us that we don't even get past, say we have a high view, maybe 55, 56. I think there's one of my two or three of my videos that have gone a little bit of viral, and they're within travel vlogs. I think there was one that went viral about 6,000 views, but that was when I went to Accra. Aside that, none again. But yeah, that's it. So we're set to go. Yeah, I forgot to mention our TV stand is not, no, our TV is not here. It's out for repairs, and we're going to also pick that up on our way back. So I was just looking at this video. I'm like, what's missing? So I just thought to mention that. Yeah, we're also picking that up on our way back. Boom, boom. Do you want to say hi? Say hi. Dun, 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 dun.
I love
You.
mommy.
Say I love you.
If you want way, I don't feel good for you. Why you want to do that? Show you the keys back then. Let's go.
So guys, I have started steaming my fish. I'm sorry I didn't carry you guys along. The washing of this fish took a lot, so I just thought to do it off camera. But it's two big fishes, so I have sauced it. I'm waiting for it to get ready. By the way, I'm even using sand, like there's sand here. Then I used one of this burner here, the sitter on it. Then placed a cover on it. So tasty. But come now. Hi guys, good morning guys. So today's Tuesday and I have an appointment with the dentist. I carried you guys along that Sunday when we went all our waka waka. So my appointment is for 12. It's just about to rain, that's why here is a bit dark. So after I took my braces out, I figured out that the gum that they used to put the brackets, it is kind of there, and it's almost 7 months I took out my braces, and I just feel that it's necessary to scrape it out. I don't know if I'm going to be doing whitening or just scaling and polishing. Well, we'll see. I'll definitely carry you guys along, and yeah, that's about it guys. I'm already late. 8:03, that means 8:03, so let's go to work, and I'll be going to the dentist from the office. Yeah, so yeah, that was. I just got in here and I'm panting like a dog. I climbed 4 staircases because the lifts, I don't know what's wrong with it, but yeah, let me fill this form and I'll get to him. It's even my turn, already past 12. Oh god, I'm so tired, I'm even thirsty. But yeah, let's fill the form. Process was quite easy, really. It was easy. Anyways, have a look at your girl. Why's my hair even scattered? Why is my hair scattered? They actually did a great job, really. They did a great job. I'm impressed. I'm really, really impressed, really. So I'm trying to film outside, but shame no go allow me to film outside. Where's my key? Shame no go allow me to film outside. Let me give you guys gist. I say make I film outside, but shame no go allow me film outside. Shame no go allow me film outside. Let me on my. Okay, it's on. So, am I impressed with their job or with their work? Yeah. I'm super duper impressed, really. First of all, the dentist, is it dentist they call them, was super professional. I loved her. I loved the way she walked me through the process. She was saying that, why is there fog in my glasses now? She was saying that in as much as is the orthodontist that's going to take out the debonding glue, she's going to try her best, but she did her best and her best was good enough for me. But that's it, Sha. I'm going right. Okay, imagine my appointment was for 12 and the time is 12:54, and we didn't start immediately. It took about 15 minutes for some paperwork, blah blah blah, and registering. This is my first time using Duchess. Look at the hospital. It's not my first time using Duchess, but like it's my first time using their dental whatever. Yeah, so let's go.